Yo, what's up everyone, it's Gorab and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of cybersecurity with Kali Linux, the ultimate playground for ethical hackers and security enthusiasts. This operating system is jam-packed with over 600 tools, each designed to test, analyze, and ultimately secure systems from potential threats. Now I know what you're thinking, 600 tools? That's insane. Where do you even start? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we're breaking down these tools into categories based on their purpose. Whether you're just starting your cybersecurity journey, or you're a seasoned pro, understanding these tools is crucial for building a strong security foundation. So, buckle up, grab your favorite drink, and let's explore the powerful arsenal that is Kali Linux. We'll uncover the tools you need to become a true cybersecurity ninja. Let's get started. Alright, before we launch any attacks or exploit vulnerabilities, we need to know what we're dealing with. That's where information gathering tools come in. This is like the reconnaissance phase, where you gather intel on your target without raising any alarms. Think of it like this. You wouldn't climb Mount Everest without checking the weather, right? Same goes for ethical hacking. You need to understand the lay of the land before you make your move. Tools like Nmap are your go-to for network scanning. It's like having X-ray vision for a network, allowing you to see all the devices connected, open ports, and even the operating systems running on them. Then you've got Recon-Ang, which is like your private investigator. It scours the internet for any publicly available information about your target, like email addresses, domain names, and even employee names. It's amazing what people unknowingly share online. And let's not forget the Harvester, a tool that digs deep into search engines and other public sources to uncover even more juicy details about your target. By using these information-gathering tools effectively, you'll build a comprehensive profile of your target, identifying potential weaknesses and entry points for further investigation. It's all about gathering intel before you make your move. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in the world of cybersecurity. Now that we've gathered some intel on our target, it's time to find those cracks in the armor, the vulnerabilities that could be exploited. This is where vulnerability analysis tools come into play. These tools are like digital detectives, sniffing out weaknesses in systems and applications. One of the heavy hitters in this category is OpenVAS, a powerful open-source vulnerability scanner. It scans your target for known vulnerabilities, comparing them to a massive database of security flaws. Think of it like a security checkup for your network. Then there's Nikto, a web server scanner that specializes in uncovering misconfigurations and outdated software. It's like having a fine-tooth comb for your web server, catching those easily overlooked vulnerabilities. And for a more comprehensive system audit, we have Linus. This tool dives deep into your system, analyzing everything from configuration files to user permissions, ensuring that every nook and cranny is secure. By using these vulnerability analysis tools, you're essentially putting your target system through a rigorous security assessment, identifying potential weaknesses before attackers can exploit them. It's all about being proactive and staying one step ahead in the cybersecurity game. Let's face it, Wi-Fi is everywhere these days, and unfortunately that means there are plenty of opportunities for attackers to exploit unsecured networks. But don't worry, Kali Linux has got you covered with its arsenal of wireless attack tools. Leading the charge is Aircrack-Ang, a suite of tools that can crack WEP and WPA-PSK keys, essentially giving you access to the network. It's like having the master key to any Wi-Fi network. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility, so use this tool ethically and only on networks you have permission to test. Then there's Kismet, a network detector, packet sniffer, and intrusion detection system all rolled into one. It's like having a security camera for your Wi-Fi network, monitoring traffic and alerting you to any suspicious activity. And for those who want to automate their Wi-Fi hacking, there's Wi-Fi. This tool automates the process of detecting and attacking nearby Wi-Fi networks, making it a favorite among penetration testers. By using these wireless attack tools responsibly, you can identify weaknesses in your own Wi-Fi networks and implement stronger security measures to protect your data from unauthorized access. Remember, a secure Wi-Fi network is a happy Wi-Fi network. Web applications have become the backbone of the internet, but they're also a prime target for attackers. Thankfully, Kali Linux comes equipped with a powerful set of web application tools designed to expose vulnerabilities and strengthen web security. One of the titans in this arena is Burp Suite, a comprehensive web vulnerability scanner that intercepts, inspects, and modifies web traffic. It's like having a magnifying glass for web applications, allowing you to analyze every request and response to identify potential weaknesses. Then there's SQLmap, a tool that automates the process of detecting and exploiting SQL injection flaws. SQL injection is a common but dangerous vulnerability that allows attackers to manipulate database queries, potentially gaining access to sensitive information. SQL Map helps you find and fix these flaws before attackers can exploit them. And for a more user-friendly approach to web application security testing, we have OWASP Zap. This open-source tool is packed with features for finding vulnerabilities like cross-site scripting, or XSS, and broken authentication, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced testers. By mastering these web application tools, you'll be well equipped to uncover and remediate vulnerabilities in web applications, ensuring that your websites and online services are secure from the ever-evolving threat landscape. Passwords are often the first line of defense against unauthorized access, but weak or reused passwords can be easily cracked by attackers. That's where Kali Linux's password cracking tools come in, providing a suite of utilities for testing password strength and uncovering vulnerabilities. John the Ripper, a classic password cracker, uses dictionary attacks and brute force methods to crack passwords. It's like having a battering ram for your passwords, testing their resilience against common attack methods. For more computationally intensive cracking tasks, there's Hashcat, a powerful password recovery tool that utilizes the processing power of your graphics card, or GPU, to crack passwords at lightning speed. It's like having a supercomputer dedicated to cracking passwords. And for those who want to test their passwords against online databases of compromised credentials, there's Hydra. This tool automates the process of trying different username and password combinations against various online services, helping you identify weak or reused passwords. By utilizing these password cracking tools responsibly, you can assess the strength of your own passwords and implement better password practices, such as using strong, unique passwords for each account and enabling two-factor authentication whenever possible. Now that we've identified vulnerabilities and tested our defenses, it's time to see how an attacker might exploit these weaknesses. This is where exploitation tools come in, allowing you to simulate real-world attacks and understand the potential impact of vulnerabilities. Metasploit, a penetration testing framework, provides a vast library of exploits, payloads, and auxiliary modules for exploiting vulnerabilities in various systems and applications. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for ethical hacking, providing a wide range of tools for different attack scenarios. For post-exploitation activities, there's Beef, the browser exploitation framework, a tool that allows you to hook into web browsers and execute commands on the client side. It's like having remote control over a user's web browser, allowing you to demonstrate the potential impact of XSS vulnerabilities. And for those who want to test their SQL injection skills, SQL Map, which we discussed earlier, also includes exploitation capabilities, allowing you to retrieve data, execute commands, and even gain full control of a database server through SQL injection vulnerabilities. By using these exploitation tools responsibly, you can gain a deeper understanding of how attackers exploit vulnerabilities and the potential consequences of successful attacks. This knowledge is crucial for developing effective security controls and mitigating risks. In the world of ethical hacking, gaining access to a system is often just the beginning. Maintaining access, escalating privileges, and covering your tracks are crucial aspects of post-exploitation activities. Kali Linux provides a range of tools to help you navigate this phase effectively. MeterPreter, a powerful post-exploitation payload, provides a wide range of capabilities, including remote command execution, file transfer, and even pivoting to other systems within the network. It's like having a backdoor into the compromised system, allowing you to maintain access and conduct further reconnaissance. Empire, a post-exploitation framework, offers a more modular and user-friendly approach to post-exploitation activities. It provides a variety of modules for tasks such as privilege escalation, credential harvesting, and lateral movement within the network. And for those who want to simulate advanced, persistent threats, Cobalt Strike is a commercial tool that provides a full suite of post-exploitation capabilities, including command and control infrastructure, advanced evasion techniques, and reporting features. By mastering these post-exploitation tools, you can gain a deeper understanding of how attackers maintain persistence within compromised networks, and the techniques they use to avoid detection. This knowledge is essential for developing effective incident response plans and mitigating the impact of successful attacks. After conducting a thorough penetration test or incident response investigation, it's crucial to gather evidence, analyze findings, and present your results in a clear and concise manner. Kali Linux offers a range of forensics and reporting tools to help you with this crucial phase. Autopsy, a digital forensics platform, provides a graphical interface for analyzing hard drives and other storage devices, allowing you to recover deleted files, examine file system metadata, and identify potential evidence of malicious activity. It's like having a digital crime scene investigation kit at your fingertips. Dumpzilla, a Firefox extension, allows you to extract and analyze various artifacts from a web browser, including browsing history, cookies, cache, and saved passwords. This can be invaluable for investigating web-based attacks or understanding user activity. Maltego, a link analysis tool, allows you to visualize relationships between different entities such as people, organizations, websites, and IP addresses. This can be incredibly helpful for identifying patterns, uncovering hidden connections, and presenting your findings in a compelling and easy-to-understand manner. By mastering these forensics and reporting tools, you'll be well-equipped to conduct thorough investigations, gather compelling evidence, and present your findings in a way that is both informative and actionable. This is essential for improving security posture, preventing future attacks, and ensuring that your organization is well prepared to handle security incidents. And there you have it, a breakdown of the different types of hacking tools in Kali Linux, categorized by their purpose. Whether you're an aspiring ethical hacker or a seasoned cybersecurity professional, these tools are your arsenal for securing systems and staying one step ahead of attackers. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use these tools ethically and legally, always respecting the privacy and security of others. The world of cybersecurity is constantly evolving, so stay curious, keep learning, and never stop exploring the ever-expanding toolkit at your disposal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cybersecurity content. Until next time, stay curious and stay secure.